In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Webflow. We'll walk through your Webflow designer together, following the on-screen highlights to place a YouTube video, adjust how it behaves, refine privacy choices, and publish your changes. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer using the link provided for your site. Once the canvas loads, look for the first on-screen highlight and click it. This takes you into the exact area of the project where the video will live and opens the controls you'll need. When a field is highlighted, type exactly what's requested in that spot. Most commonly, this will be your YouTube video link or a short label for the component. Using a full YouTube URL is the safest option. After you enter the value, continue by clicking the next highlighted element to confirm and move forward. As additional inputs become highlighted, fill them in one by one. Keep your text short and descriptive so it's easy to maintain later. If a description field is highlighted, write something clear and helpful about the video content. It's useful for organization and accessibility. Next, click the highlighted control to open the video's settings panel. From there, select Playback. This section determines how your video behaves on the page. Follow the highlights to toggle the indicated playback options. These commonly control whether the video starts on its own, repeats, or shows player controls. A quick tip. Most browsers only allow autoplay when the video is muted, so if autoplay is highlighted, a mute option usually accompanies it. Move on by clicking Privacy. This area focuses on what viewers see around your video and how the embed handles viewer data. Follow the highlights to switch on the recommended privacy-related options. These typically reduce distractions or limit tracking and related content, helping the video feel more polished on your site. Click Show All Settings when prompted to reveal any advanced controls. This simply expands the panel so you can review everything the highlight sequence wants you to confirm. When you're done, click Publish. Webflow will build and push the latest version of your site. Wait for the success notice so you know the changes are live. And that's it. By following each highlighted click and typing only in the highlighted fields, you've placed a YouTube video in your Webflow project, tuned its playback, tightened its privacy settings,